Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have enjoyed your weekend. Today is Monday and we're back cleaning and doing all the little tasks that we have to do in the day. This past week was my birthday and my fiance threw a little birthday party for me. I turned 25 this year. I am so happy and so blessed to be 25 and to be surrounded by people that love me. But anyway, that is why you can see the happy birthday sign over my dining room table. We did clean up on Sunday because the day after the party the house was a mess, so we did clean. And today what we just had left over was anything that we didn't get to last night, which were a lot of dishes. And you know, I also like to pick up like just everything around the house, the stove, and just do the dishes and leave everything super clean for the night. I like to go to bed most of the times with a clean kitchen.
But it's not like I need it, and we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to.
After washing everything, I went ahead and also scrubbed the sink and wiped everything down. And after that, I mopped a little bit in the high traffic areas like the kitchen area and the dining room. I had mopped yesterday, but you know, since there was some food fallout and all that, I just wanted to mop again. My little helper Peluso, of course, he was helping, but this is how the kitchen turned out, how clean and beautiful. I then just straightened up the living room. All I had to do was basically put the cushions back where they belong and put the dog toys away. And oh my god, you guys, I had so much laundry to fold. I hate folding laundry, and we just threw everything on top of our dining room table last night because we don't really eat on that table, so it's always clean, and I didn't feel like doing it, so we just threw everything there. And I decided to tackle it today because I don't want to spend the whole week with a huge pile of laundry on top of my table. But it took a while, but I did it. I got through it. Let me know if you also hate folding laundry. This is one of the things that I hate doing the most, like chores related, because it just takes forever, and I don't know, I just don't like to do it.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Our bathroom was pretty clean. The only thing was some laundry that I needed to put away and some things, you know, that I needed to go in their place. So I did that. Crazy how much of a difference it makes to just put away a few things. Like, it looked really cluttered, and as soon as I put stuff away, it just magically transformed. Last thing I did for the night before cooking dinner is I put some laundry, and that was it. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like if you did, and I'll see you on the next one.